Welcome to level 10, my friends. We have made it to the point in the qaida where there's really going to be no more new marks or letters that you are going to be seeing. From this point on, we're really just going to be refining our variations that we're going to be seeing throughout the Quran and really focusing on some special rules. The reason we call them special rules is because they're not going to take place all the time, but they're going to be certain combinations that when they do happen in the Quran, they're not going to be read as you expect them to sometimes. There's going to be some slight differences that you're going to see. And so we're going to get right into it and start with our first special rule, which is Hamza and Alif when it comes with a sukoon. So what is going to happen here is we're going to see the letter and we're going to see an Alif or sometimes a Hamza, and it is going to come after the marking, and it's going to and if the Hamza or the Alif has a sukoon on it, then that letter is going to be read with a sudden jerking sound. I want you guys to maybe imagine, like, if you're driving a car and it comes to a very sudden stop, what happens is you kind of like lurch forward, you jerk forward a bit. And so that's kind of how I explain it to younger children, that you're going to make like a very sudden stop on the letter. And what is going to happen, you're going to hear almost a slight echo of that letter. And so let's get right into it with some examples to really hear what this sounds like. Ba with the fatha, when it connects with the alif and that alif has a sukoon on it, it is going to be pronounced ba, ba. When ba comes with a dhamma and it connects with a hamza, remember, this is just a hamza. It just appears on the waw. The waw is what is carrying baby hamza, and we're just going to focus on the hamza. There's no sound for the waw, really, okay? So ba with the dhamma connecting with the hamza with a sukoon. That is the key word. It has to have a sukoon on it to make this jerking sound. Bu. Ba with the kasra carried on a ya. There's a hamza. Bit. Okay, and so ba, bu, bit. And so now some examples to really showcase this. Ba here is only coming with a alif, but the alif does not have a sukoon on it, so it's just going to be stretched because this is its pairing letter. Ba, here we have the same combination, but oh, there is a sukoon, so it's going to be ba, da, da, tha, tha, bi, bit. Right? And so here are some examples of this. Here we have ya, comes with an alif with a sukoon on it. Ya. Ti, hi. Ya, ti, hi. Right? And let's do one more example. Let's do this one down here. We have wow connecting with a alif with sukoon. Wa. Da with a wow. This is just going to be stretched because it pairs with it. Tu, wa, tu. Noon with a ya with the kasra. This is its pairing as well. It's going to be stretched. Ni, wa, tu, ni. So those are some examples to go through from the Quran. And then we are going to circle. So we really recognize where the sudden jerking sounds are going to be. So look out for the alifs or the hamzas that have sukoon on them. And that is your telltale sign that this is going to be a sudden stop. And below, you're going to color all the words that include a jerking sound blue and those that do not red. And that will conclude the special rule for Hamza and Alif with sukoon.